Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Wellman. Welcome to the class. We're going to have 4 weeks together of discovering the different levels of lifespan development chronologically in this 4-week course. Because you are you all the way through your life, we accept that you're you. However, you do change. You change from infancy to old age. And through those changes, we call those epigenetic processes or aging, and we depend upon the environment to help us to develop. However, these changes tend to be inevitable. So, to do well in the course, I recommend that you attend all the Kaiser Live sessions, and the first week I'll be covering the welcome PowerPoint. There is a video of me welcoming you to the course, and every week there will be an agenda for the week posted. I recommend that you read the agenda because it might have information that you will need to know, and you will be responsible for that. You'll also be responsible for all of the material that is presented in the Kaiser Live. In week 1, we're going to begin with the beginning of the life, beginning with the embryo, fetus. Then in week 2, we'll be going on to the middle childhood and early adolescence. And then in week 3, we'll be in young adulthood and middle adulthood. And then in week 4, we'll be looking at the time of life when life ends. The certification, pretest, and introduction are not graded, but if you don't do the certification, you won't get any work graded. I only grade work once the certification has been signed. The pretest is due on Wednesday, so the certification is due by Wednesday, and I hope you'll all post your introductions by Sunday. Your research assignment is posted each week, and you can access your research assignments as early as you like and complete them as early as you like throughout the course. However, they are due by the end of the week they are assigned. Your class discussions will appear each week when you open that week. They will not appear until the Sunday beginning of the week. They're due by Thursday, by Saturday, and by Sunday. You want to post 3 times a week. A little word about the discussion posts. Sometimes students feel like, well, I asked a question, the teacher asked me a question, but it says here I really don't have to respond, so I don't think I will. Well, sometimes, primarily, I do ask a question to help you to get more points. So if I see that there might be something missing in your initial post and I prompt you, be sure that you don't ignore that. Indicate that you would like to have your reply considered as points added to your initial post. Sometimes I will prompt you with a question that seems outside of the discussion, or you're quite sure you've handled everything properly. In that case, if you wish to respond to me as a peer response, you may. And lastly, of course, you may respond for the enjoyment of learning for no points in a casual way. And particularly if you are not citing sources, that's totally fine, and I encourage you to interact with me. The week always ends on the last Sunday of the week. These are the assignments that are due. Begin working on your presentation immediately. As you're studying week 1, that's a good time to start on the first segment of your presentation. And then when you're in week 2, that's a good time to start on the second part of your presentation, and so on. In week 1, we'll have a Thanksgiving holiday break, and so I will not be in the classroom, and you're not expected to be in the classroom, but you are expected to post 3 times a week and have all your work in by Sunday. So by all means, get them in early. All right, if there are any questions, please email me. And if you have questions that might help other people in the class, please post them to Ask Questions. And I really look forward to being with you over the next 4 weeks. Have a good week, and I'll see you in the classroom.